Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out Polygon's price chart. And if you remember in the previous video, we were right around the lows, and the idea was that we do want to see a decent bounce back in here, and this move up can continue a bit more. But let's pay full attention to the shape of that bounce and see, are we going to have actually a very strong move on the upside without a lot of overlapping of the waves or not? If we get that, great. So question, what is happening right now? You see, this I know doesn't really look like it wants to be a very strong bounce in form of a 5 wave. However, I think when you go on some lower time frames, for example 15-minute chart, you are sort of kind of able to argue, you know what, maybe this is 1 2 wave 3 to about this point, followed by, I'm gonna say, maybe an A B C flat into wave 4, and in the next, let's say 24 to about 48 hours, I'm not really going to be surprised in Polygon if I see like another move on the upside into wave 5. Now, what if we want to get a move down from the current point? You see, even at that point, I'm gonna say we are probably having a decent bullish setup in the short term, and after this phase is over, we are going to have another move up nonetheless. But here is the situation. Whether that move is going to be overall a bullish sign or not, I think that can be up for debate. For now, my primary scenario suggests in Polygon that this is a wave 1, correction for 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down into this larger degree wave 3. And according to this count, odds are this phase up, this specific one, is just really going to be a pullback phase into our wave 4. And what's next? Well, we may end up having another move down into wave 5. And what I really do care about in this phase is this. Are we going to get a break of this unbelievably important support area or not? As long as we are not getting a break of it, any kind of move down, in my view, is absolutely welcome, and it's not really going to hurt the bullish case at all. Let's have another move down, and at the same time, not get a break of this level. And right in here, in the short term, if I see some optimistic signs, meaning having a 5 wave up followed by a consolidation pattern, I am going to flip a bit bullish and argue that we are going to get a very strong bounce back. And by the way, I forgot to tell you this. Here is one more reason for why I think this move up does actually have some more legs. Let's say we are going to continue it for another 5 to 7%. You see, let's go on H1 time frame. So what do we have in terms of indicators? Let's just hide this one. Okay, as you can see on the live chart, this is a low, the other one is a low. However, in MACD, you are having a low, the other one is what? Yup, a higher low, meaning this is actually a bullish divergence. And I do think this divergence is going to probably send the price a little bit higher. And for example, having this bounce, I don't really think it's actually enough. So in a sense, let's expect another move up in the next 48 hours. And then at that point, I think one way or the other, we are going to have a move down. But right now, it's a little bit too soon to jump into any unnecessary bullish or bearish conclusion. And whether we are going to, right in here, be bullish or bearish does actually come down to the shape of this phase up followed by this specific move down. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Polygon's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.